Welcome to Drawlipper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check battery capacity in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to battery option. After that scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can see battery information option, then just tap here. And that's it. From here you can check your battery details. Here you can see battery capacity option and you can check yours from here. You can see in my phone battery capacity is 5000 mAh. You can also check your battery charging status and battery level from here. You can see my battery level is 79% and charging status is not charging. If you have 5000 mAh battery in your phone, then you can get a longer battery life. Now if you go back, you can also show or hide your battery percentage from here. Also from here you can check your battery usage details. And that is how you can check battery capacity in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.